From the transportation of refrigerated and temperature-sensitive foods, to the production and logistics of pharmaceuticals, up to the reduction of CO2 emissions, measuring instruments and solutions from Testo provide security. Because only precise monitoring and measurements give you the certainty of complying with legal regulations and guidelines. This is how we at Testo contribute to increasing the quality of products and services, protecting human health and the environment, and conserving resources. To this end, over 3,200 employees worldwide develop high-precision measuring instruments and innovative solutions for digital data management for over 1 million customers. We combine the size, success, and stability of an owner-managed, medium-sized company with agility to take an active role in shaping the digital transformation and the Internet of Things. For more than 60 years, we have stood for high tech from the Black Forest. We are German Mittelstand and are among the country's top 100 innovators. We are a world market leader with around 400 million euros annual revenue, and we're growing dynamically. To make sure it stays that way, we reinvest 10% of our revenue in research and development year for year. For ultra-modern high-tech sensors, for example, or smart cloud-based software which collects billions of quality data and processes them as a basis for decision-making. High-tech innovation is important to us. Even more important are the people who work on behalf of Testo. With 100% passion, we call it the Testo Spirit. They benefit from having the creative space to make decisions and develop new ideas. Efficient processes ensure fast and successful implementation. Testo Spirit also means a high level of appreciation, loyalty, and readiness to help, and a warm, almost family-like atmosphere. We place great value on the development of our employees, on a professional and personal level. That's why we invest heavily in national and international development programs, including in the collaboration with our local subsidiaries. So, if you would also like to contribute to ensuring the quality of foods and pharmaceuticals, protecting human health and the environment, or conserving resources, let's do it together. Because these are objectives that motivate us all. Join us so we can grow together.